Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Alberto here. Today we're gonna bring you guys a new video, a new challenge. It's What's Inside the Box challenge. Today we're here with my family again. Up first is Brittany. Brittany, sit on the chair.
Why do you guys put us?
Yeah, because we have to cover for you can't see the sides. And you can't see you can't look from the sides and all that.
Just
Yeah.
don't look.
There you go.
No, I don't know. It's not. It's on the plate.
You can't see what it is.
Oh wait. I don't know where is it.
You gotta feel it, you can't put your hands out.
You have to put
You think
the jelly thing. Ketchup.
yep.
I told bro, this salchicha hella hard.
¿Está lista?
Sí.
You ready?
Yes.
Alright, come on. ¿Está lista ya?
Sí.
Dale. No puede oler o nada así. You can't smell it. Se la tiene que tocar. Que no le
Aguanta, vamos a ver.
Nada de ahí. So you can't take out anything from there. No la puedo oler. Pero usted tiene que adivinar. You gotta guess. What is it? ¿Qué?
What is it?
She's gonna throw up.
What is it, ma?
Ay, no sé qué. Usted siempre.
Es que-
No, ahorita. Mamá, ya. Adivine qué es.
Adivine qué es ahora. You gotta guess.
¿Salchicha?
Yes.
No.
Yes. Marilyn, you ready?
Next contestant is Marilyn Monroe.
That's right. Ooh, what is it? Bro, this smells hella nasty.
What is it?
I don't know.
Have a guess.
Guess. Play with it.
No.
Yeah, put both hands in, not just one.
Rub it in between your fingers like this.
Yeah.
You get the textures. And feel what it really is. What is it?
What do you think it is? We can't be telling you here, just.
I don't know what this is. Jelly.
She put like a little light in there. To see what it is, like to see more better.
What is this?
Come on.
I don't know. Give
You
me
gotta rub it against all your fingers to see what it is.
Hell no. What is that? This is jelly. This has to be jelly.
You could give up and you can see.
Okay, I give up.
See what it is.
Oh, it's
Flip it.
mayonnaise. I know you guys are gonna put that.
So my nephew's gonna be in it too. What's your name?
Juan Carlos Carrizosa Verdugo.
Alright, stop dancing. So you can't tell Junior nothing. You heard about this challenge, right?
Yes. Okay.
Alright. So let us push the banana. Alright, you can come out. You ready?
Don't look.
You ready? Go. What do you think it
Is it banana?
is? How did you know?
It's
Because it has the texture of like the banana, and then it's hella squishy, and like it has pieces of banana still in it.
Chile. So you can't look through it? You can't see through the
You
holes?
cannot look through the holes. You have to keep your
You have
head
to
straight.
guess?
Like, you
Alright.
have to keep your hands closed.
Ready?
Ready?
Go. Guess what it is?
Put your hand in.
You can't see inside.
You can't see. You have to put both hands in.
Can I get a hint?
No, you don't get hints. I don't think so.
I didn't get hands.
I don't know. I don't think you get hints.
Put your hands in.
You gotta put your hands in.
It might be alive.
Might be alive or dead.
Wait, what?
Just put your hands in,
You can eat it too.
So it's a food.
and it can eat you too.
Yeah.
Just put your hand
Let
in.
go.
Don't think about it.
Just put your hands in. You can't move the box either. You have to put your hands
Oh, it's so scary. Am I close to
in. This
it?
is the only box we couldn't find just to do it.
Am I close? Am I close to it?
It's on the plate.
It's on the plate. Cedric, what do you think it
You
is?
can't take it out of the box. And
Yeah.
You just have to keep putting it
Ah, hell no.
They're chiles.
No, they're dead cockroaches.
Yeah.
I'm just playing, they're just chiles.
Should I cut that one right?
Yeah,
Steven is
Alright.
Oh my.
It might be a little bit cold.
That's what we took that along.
Oh, no, for us?
No.
Is it on the plate or is it like?
It's on the plate. Yeah. No, we have to go. It's a dead animal. No, it's a cockroach.
Hey, watch out, bruh.
Stop, put it right there. It's a cockroach.
Hey, watch out.
It's in the center.
It's in the center, Steven. You can't see it.
I didn't see it. I didn't know who it was.
Go.
Oh, what is this?
Oh my god! In the middle. Oh my god. No, it's gonna bite you.
What is this?
Touch it.
Ugh.
It has the mouth.
Ugh, what is that?
That's your mouth.
No, it isn't.
Yeah. That's the mouth. Be careful.
You liars?
What is it?
What is this?
Be
Ugh,
careful.
what is this?
Oh no. Move that Bob.
I thought it was something like alive. I was like, the first time I was like, oh,
Not a good thing.
feels like seeds.
It's a bell pepper.
It's a bell pepper. That's what it is.
So
That's it.
there you got it, guys. We did the what's in the box challenge. As you can see, some of us failed and some of us actually got it. I mean, I did. Steven did also. He said it was a big jalapeno, but
You're holding the camera.
don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I've said in the last video, share it with your friends. Hit that bell so you guys can see every time we
So you guys
post.
get notified when we upload a new video.
And we're gonna switch it up a bit. We're gonna do sometimes we're gonna do vlogs, challenges, pranks, whatever you guys want to see. Let us know.
Leave it in the
Yeah.
comments to
Leave
see.
it in the comments to see what you guys want to see in the next video. And it's your boy Alberto here, and we're gonna end this video. See you guys later. Until the next time, Peace, guys.
Peace.
Peace.
Hey.